Uh-oh, this is awesome right here. 8-year-olds, they're getting crazy creative over here. Yes. Yes. This is so good. Why does it look so real right now? All right, ladies and gentlemen, starting off our 8-year-olds. This is number 187. Your name is Annabelle, and this. Rose, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise over here. 187. Okay, you get to go up and show the judges your move. That's so good, because that's exactly how they're like, ah. Do it one more time, Ah. Do it again. I love it. All right, judges, next up we have 188, your name. This is Matt, and Matt is? This is our pumpkin that runs everything. That's what he just said right now. All right, you gotta show your judges your move right now. Oh, you almost died, bro. Bruh. All right, that was 188, judges. 59 is next, judges. Your name? Griffin right here, and you're... Rithik. And your costume is? This is a Lego man. All right, you gotta go show him some Lego moves right now. Ooh, with the robotic steeds. I like it. And next up, ladies and gentlemen, we have number 77. This is Bethel, and your costume is Forrest Gump. Run, Forrest, run! You gotta show the judges the Forrest Gump move. There it is! You gotta do the Forrest waves. There it is! Next up, judges, we have 189. Your name? Aaron, and your costume is? Woody! Alright, Woody, you get to go up and show your judges. I love it. Good job, Woody. Alright, judges, next up we have 104. Your name? Gio, your costume is? Leo. A moment over here. 104, come on up, Judge. There you go. Gio's in the middle of this. Thank you so much. You got a license, judges? You don't want a license? Okay. You don't want a license. It's all good. Next up, we have number 63. Your name? Ayana. And what's your costume? There we go. Okay, come on up and you get to show your judges your move. Y'all make some noise one time and then go. Uh-oh. Next up, I got number 78. Your name? Isabella. And what's your costume? She is a Lakers cheerleader. Okay, you gotta show the judges some cheer moves right now. Yes! The Laker girl. Oh, we'll be right back after this commercial break. All right. High five, girl. Good job. All right, next up we have 193. Your name? Warren. This is Warren. Warren, your costume is? A ninja. All right, Warren, you get to go show your judges your... Ooh, came with the nunchucks and everything. Give it up for Warren one more time, you guys. Michael. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, we have 190. 190. Dominic, and what's your costume, Dominic? Storm Bunny, this is Pokemon. Yeah! Feeling it. 186. This is Sydney from the box of popcorn. Okay, girls, okay, this is awesome. Thank you, Sydney. All right. What's next? Our 8-year-old. Make some noise for our 8-year-old. Check. Okay, there we go. We're back. One more time, you guys make some noise for our 8-year-old. Thank you so much. 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9. Now we are in the 9 category. This is awesome. Yes. Love it. Get it. All right, judges, we are going to start off in our 9 category. This is 184, your name? This is Olivia at 184, and she is our Lego lady over here. I love it. I'm actually really hyped on this one. All right, next up I have number 186. This is Daryl, and Daryl is our boba. Okay, I'm feeling it. How many boba fans out there? Okay, are you guys ready to laugh at me? I have never had boba before. I haven't. I really haven't. I'll try it. Okay. What flavor should I get? There's one over here? Okay, I'm going. Next up, I have 61. 61, this is Zoe, and Lynn, and Foster Liz. Princess Peach and Princess Rosalie, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise! I love it. Okay, next up I have 185, your name. Ben is our jackpot. All right, jackpot. How many chances do we get? One, say one. Okay, there it is. I see lucky 7. We are winning right now. Make some noise one more time for our jackpot. Next up, we have 183 judges. Your name? This is Casper. Casper, what you got, sir? This is a character in Minecraft with a sword and diamond armor, yeah? Diamond armor. That's pretty cool, dude. Oh, look at you. Love it. Good job. Last but not least, I have 192 judges. Your name? This is Skylar. And Skylar, your costume is? Oh, okay. Come on up. Show your judges your awesome costumes. Oh, she had the walk and everything. Wait, do it again. There it is. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our 9-year-olds. This is going to be tough right here, I'm telling y'all. All right, you're going to exit to your left. We are 8 to 9. Our third place goes to Katrina. Yes, girl. All right, right, in second place, so far, third place, we have Katrina over here. Second place goes to our Lego Queen. Where you at? Oh yeah, here she comes. Here she comes to save the day. All right, get it with the bounce. Get it with the bounce. Get it with the bounce. Yeah! Fist pump, fist pump, fist pump, fist pump. Get it, get it, get it. Lego, Lego. All right, yes. Our third place goes to Katrina. Our second place, our Lego Queen. And our first place champion in the 8 to 9 year old. I need a drum roll. I need a drum roll. Coming to the stage in first place, we have our Dragon Bird. Oh, here she goes, here she goes. Thank you so much. All right, you're going to follow this command off to the left.